Alright guys, I had a video request to show taking the loader and the backhoe off of the yanmar. Well, I'm going to do half that tonight. I'm going to throw the backhoe off so I can cut the grass out front. And I'm going to throw the deck on over there. I'll just make a video of throwing the backhoe off, I think. So I don't have much time to goof around, but I'll show you guys how I do it before I do it. Basically, there's 2 pins, one on either side, right here and right over there. And then on the bottom, basically, there's almost like a hook shape there, and it sits down over a pin on both sides. So it makes it real easy to throw off, and then you have your connections right here. There's one there, and there's another one. It might be down in underneath here, I think. But basically, you just sit it on the outriggers. Put the arm down, pull the pins out, and basically you just pick it up on the outriggers, drive forward enough to unhook the hoses, shut it off, because if you don't shut it off, it'll keep pumping hydraulic oil out. So, yeah, basically I'll sit you over here on this mower deck and you guys can watch if you want. If you don't want to watch, you must have stopped now. Huh? Hopefully you guys can see good there. Alright guys, that's about all there is to it. Basically now when you're going to hook it up, you just back up close enough, shut it off again, hook the hoses up, turn it back on, and basically just align it so the pins will go in, and basically your backhoe is back on. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. I was dropping the backhoe on the yanmar. I'll just tell you guys how to drop the loader. It's not hard. Basically there's these 2 main pins on either side. There's one on each side. And you pull those pins out. Once you have the loader, they call it a support, or probably legs, I think. Hopefully you guys can see it. Basically they fold down, they hook here. Oh yeah, they hook on both of these. It turns around and this hole up here goes here. And it sits down on there. Then you pull these pins out whenever they're loose. And then basically you just use the loader hydraulics, and basically it sits down on this tube right here over top with a U shape in the bottom. And basically you just push it forward out and away and get it up high enough so it'll go over top the tires. Then you come down here and disconnect all your quick connects. There's 4. And I recommend not mixing up which color goes where, because you could really mess something up if you do that. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to stick the mower deck on, but I'm not going to show you guys. It's not really that hard or interesting. So, alright, well, see everybody later. Thanks for watching.